This is creamy coriander egg curry. Warm, comforting, and filled with fresh bursts of coriander in every bite. Let's start by boiling the eggs and get that out of the way. I'm using 5 here. Next, slice a couple of large onions. We'll also need a few garlic cloves and a piece of ginger. Now, heat some neutral oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, a black cardamom, a green cardamom, and a small piece of cinnamon. Once fragrant, add the ginger, garlic, and onions. Saute until the onions turn soft and translucent. You'll already start to smell those warm, inviting aromas. Let this cool slightly. Meanwhile, I'm going to peel the eggs. Gently score them with a knife so the flavors can seep in better. Now, into a mixer, add the sauteed onions, fresh coriander leaves. I'm reserving a little for the garnish, a green chilli, a generous dollop of yogurt, and a little salt. Blend this into a smooth paste. Back in the same pan, add a blob of ghee and a bay leaf. Then add the coriander powder, a touch of turmeric, and some red chilli powder. Saute briefly, be careful not to let the spices burn. Now pour in the ground paste along with some water to adjust the consistency. Let it simmer gently for a few minutes. Add the eggs and turn them around so they're well coated in the gravy. We've already added some salt earlier, so just a little more now. Add a pinch of jaggery to balance any bitterness. Finish with some Kasturi methi and turn off the heat. Top with fresh coriander leaves and that's it. Vibrant, velvety, and packed with flavor. This creamy coriander egg curry pairs beautifully with hot parathas. It's just as good with Jeera rice or even plain rice. I hope you give this a try. For more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and ta-ta!